Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Nitric acid. In nitric acid, all tissues which come in contact with lips, teeth, skin, tongue, oral, and GI mucosa, even vomitus is yellowish or brown because nitric acid reacts with tissues to form picric acid, and this reaction of nitric acid with tissues to form picric acid is called as xanthoprotetic reaction. Even urine becomes brown in color. Rest of the symptoms are similar to that of sulfuric acid poisoning. Treatment is also similar to sulfuric acid poisoning.
thank you and thank you for watching.